good. Have another go. Good. Good, so keep your thumb up and your fingers come round underneath and over the top of the thumb. Tuck it in there, but not all the way, just enough to make a loop. That's it, and then put that loose bit through the loop. Very good. Perfect, well done. Right. Being an owl, again, you can give him a little stroke very delicately with him because he's only little. He weighs in only just a little bit more than Alan. Alan was 6 ounces. He's 6 3/4 ounces. So it's hardly any owl underneath all of that, really. I know. I've done a lot of the training with Hump, so I've become almost like his dad. So he does go very babyish with me, and he really nibbles at my finger, don't you? Yeah. But again, with him, you don't have to worry too much about him biting your finger off. Just do be aware that that beak has got a little bit of a point to it with him. It's got a bit of a he's watching me more than he's watching you. He knows who normally feeds it. Right, well, if you want to pop them back down on the perches that you picked them up from, remember, keep them on your glove while you're tying them down. Keep them on your gloves while you're tying them down. That's it, and you can rest your glove on top of the perch, though. Remember, take hold of the leather straps with your gloves. So if you want your glove, that's it, hold on to those. Bring your hand up towards his tummy. Just see if there's any food. There we go, that's it. If you want to untie. Wow, yeah. American kestrels look amazing actually. They've got really funny faces compared to our ones. Their faces look more like a falcon's face with just the colour and the style. And also you get like the Mauritius kestrel, they're really uncommon. They're really rare. Yeah, it's sort of yellow. It does go green with some of the birds. And some of them, I mean, if you look at our breeding pair of black kites, the female, her feet are yellow. Hump the white face. Remember, don't be a bully, Sally. Make it as easy for you as possible. Have a go at tying on there.
You didn't get that, did you?
Do the whole way from this.
Good job.
Fingers come round over the top. Nope. Oh, you're right. You're right. You okay? That was close. What was that for? What was that? When we're getting on your glove first. Just over here.
Huh?
You're very important.
Similar to that.
Okay, so these last two. Where are you going to go now? Use their hearing if that makes sense. So every time you hear something out there, you have to have a little look, see what it is, see that it's not something more interesting. And pretty fast, it's going. We'd rather do that because that's more energy efficient. So we'd rather run around. He goes out on school visits and things like that, and on those it doesn't tend to fly, it tends to run. Runs around with a ball like a fly. With Ozzy, he thinks if I just start flying, food is bound to appear at some point. It does. That's the rules, that's how it works. I'm not getting any more food out of that. Go on. Come on. And he wants to make sure that we don't pinch it, so it goes down as quick as possible. That's it. The quicker he gets it down, the less chance there is of any of you guys pinching it. That's the idea.
It's been a little bit funny about the graph for no particular reason. Is the odd thing. It's alright, he still gets the food, so he's alright with it. I love working with vultures, I think they're incredible creatures. But a lot of people, when I say we'll fly a vulture next, go, horrible things, don't like it. But vultures are really important. And they're not what you expect. Now I've called him a great grey owl. My favourite is a bearded owl. Because if you look at the front of him, it looks like he's got like a goatee thing going on. Barry! Barry's just coming down to flying weight, so he's getting more interested. If we just bring him this way a little bit, stop winding up that buzzard. You're being a horror today, Barry. Yeah, I've had a lot of people I've had to tell I'm checking their bags before they leave after they've met him, because you are very pretty. People love you, don't they, eh? Bring them in very close, don't be afraid of them, and just walk normally. And what we'll do, we'll head out into the field. We'll come along this way. I wonder if it's about if the bird comes back to its head and then it's going and catching a pigeon and that. Literally, they've been fed up and they can't be bothered to fly at that point. That's why when we say that, it doesn't really apply to us. So head down the bottom to the right there. There's loads of things we say that come from working with birds of prey. Watch your footing as you're walking across here, because it's not ready to go there, shall we? If I could have 3 people with hawks over here with me. So I need 3 hawks over here. That's it. So if you stay there, okay, if you come to about here, and if you come to about here, so we've got a left sort of line. These are going to go on. As soon as I uncut this, you're in charge. Big responsibility. Did you read the fine print? If she goes now, no, it's not the end of the world, but we want them to work together, so I just think it's fair we send them out together. So, nice tight grip there. That's it. They keep a nice hold of it. Let's send them under order, shall we? So I want the 3 of you to tell them to go that way. tree. So with your bare hand, point at those trees. With your bare hand, point at the trees. While you're still pointing, extend out your arm behind you, give them a push, roll and release. Go for it. Go for it. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Oh. What did you say to the hawks? You know what? It doesn't matter where you point. There you go. There you go. I only get you to point to prove a very important point. We have no control of these birds. They do. That's it. And sneaking up behind you. There we go. Didn't see her coming at all then, did you? Right, she had that food. Did she get it? She had that bit of food. Okay, so if the three of you want to just give them a push in that sort of direction, they'll go where they want to go though. Oh, look! Don't move, here she comes, and look at that! That's what it feels like to be around. Shoulder to shoulder together, watch that hawk, watch the one on the floor as well because she might try and be cheeky, but here she comes, straight through the middle. You've still got food. Well done. If they've had it, then drop your hand to the side. That's it. A little bit of food, who's going to get it? None of them can see it, there we go, that's it. Fantastic. Right. So if you want to push them off that sort of direction, that's it, the sort of direction we were walking in. You can see it's funny, they don't necessarily just go for, whoa, juggling hawks there. They don't just necessarily go for the person who's closest to them. And there's no real accounting for why they go where they go. Sometimes it's because they've got a clear view of the food, so they know exactly. Control working. Harris hawks are generally used for any of the indoor areas, things like aircraft hangars. We'll quite often go to with Harris hawks. Come on! There might be, is the thing, you might have seen something like a pheasant or a rabbit.